Has the restoration of Notre Dame de Paris been completed? It has been 5 years since the fire at Notre Dame de Paris. The restoration team has been working day and night, and the progress is smooth. We look forward to reopening Notre Dame in 2024. Every building cannot do without concrete and cement. In the use of concrete and cement, admixtures play an important role. Polycarbonate superplasticizer is widely used due to its advantages of low dosage and high water reduction rate. In addition, PCE does not use formaldehyde or any other harmful raw materials in the synthesis process and has no health hazards to the human body during production and use, making it very environmentally friendly. As countries around the world are striving to adopt more environmentally friendly practices, the conservation of water resources and reduction of concrete usage, as well as the enhancement of concrete performance and environmental protection. So polycarbonate superplasticizer, the mainstream product for water reducers, EASTHONY not only offers various specifications of PCE, but also provides monomers such as TPEG, HPEG, GPEG, etc. If you want to choose a more environmentally friendly and cost-effective concrete water reducer, polycarbonate superplasticizer is your first choice.